Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in today's tutorial I will show you really quick how you can fade into your video in CapCut. So it's very simple guys. First thing you need to do is import your clip, so click on this import button and import your clip. So in my instance it will be this one, so double click it and then it will appear in this import tab. Then you have to drag and drop it to your timeline, and as you can see you can play it now just by clicking space. In order to fade in this clip, you will need to go over to this animation tab. So while this clip is selected, so click on it, go over to this animation tab and then choose this in tab. So you have to be in this in tab in order to choose fade in. As you can see, here it is. So click on it. And then as you can see, just quickly as that, your fade in is applied. If you want to make it longer, you can change this slider which says duration, and it is basically on 0.5 seconds. So if you want to make it longer, just drag this slider to the right and you can, for example, make it for 5 seconds. As you can see, it is fading out for a bit longer. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.